Hi guys, welcome to this video about what you can do when some kind of program or Chrome browser or whatsoever is asking you to upload an image with higher resolution. That happens so many times in a lot of programs or websites. They say, okay, you have to have a picture with at least so and so by so and so resolution, and you maybe made a screenshot of something, or you have just a picture with a certain resolution, and it's I mean, it also says that it has to be PNG, and so there are a lot of requirements which you sometimes cannot match. And what's the easiest way to resolve this solution? Of course, you can go and open a Paint program. I mean, you can click the Windows key and then type Paint, and this is part of every Windows machine. You click on Paint, and of course then you can open your image and you can resize it. I mean, it's a really easy thing. So if you don't know how this works, this is the Paint program, and then when you open, I mean, you can you can click on File, Open, of course, and if you have opened your picture, you can click on resize and then increase the percentage or by pixel. The easiest way to increase the size by pixel is to have it to maintain aspect ratio so it doesn't look strange, and then you go up. Let's say we do 200%, and so you see it has the double size, and then we go to File and save it again. Okay, that's pretty easy, but of course there's a much easier solution. So the idea is really to change it right at the moment when it is required, and don't have to invoke a new program and load picture and save it and go back to this to the place where you need it. It's really much easier. So we click on this image, on this icon where we can see what is required, and then we search for the picture we need. So here we have it. Yeah, and yeah, I mean, when we hover on the picture, we can already see that it's 550 by 283. You see this in this small box, so it's definitely not enough. So, but if we double, or yeah, let's say triple that, then it would be good enough. So okay, that's always good to hover on top of that and see how much we have to increase this size. Okay, so since I think it was a little bit more than 1200, so we need to triple that, and then we are good. So we right click on that and we come to the context menu. We choose X and shell. So I'll have to put down that a little bit down. Yeah, so you can't see that. So X and shell, and then convert, and then we use the size, like here 300% and not 200% as we had it already, and we choose same output folder, so it will store a new picture in the same folder. Of course we can choose what we need. I think it was written PNG, but I think it's not needed. It's an old message, so in this case it's not needed. But if you need, you can even convert it to almost any other to any other format you might need, and change settings. So I think with JPEG to 300% we will be good, and now we can click on convert, and that should actually already be done. So we press F5 and check if the picture is available, and we see that's the same picture with the same name. It's just _1, and when we hover on that, we should be able to see the resolution. Doesn't happen now, I don't know why. Yeah, usually it should be the case. I really have no clue why after pressing F5 it doesn't come up with the detailed information, but anyway, I'm pretty sure it will work. So we click on that and I click also on open, and let's see if this works. And it is definitely working, so no error message anymore here on thumbnail generator of the tube body or any other editing like paint program or website or whatsoever. So that's the easiest thing. So if you're not aware of this program, what you need, if you haven't already installed the XN shell, I mean, probably most of the people who are following my channel, they probably will have already installed XN shell. But if you are here for the first time, I mean, it's always good to subscribe to my channel to get these really good tips and tricks. And so also this is one of the big really nice features which we can install on Windows 10, and it's for free, and you can almost convert anything, especially pictures, of course. And so the XN shell, there's a separate video about that. I'll put down the link to this video into the description, so you can click on that and install or download and install and configure XN shell, so it will work for you to do a lot of nice and easy things. So that's about it. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.